This Sony home theater projector VPL HW45ES 1080p Full HD video projector for TV, movies and gaming, home cinema projector with 3 SXRD images and 1800 lumens for brightness, 3D compatible. Super resolution, enhances all of the subtle details, colors, and textures to produce full HD images. High contrast ratio, see brighter highlights and deeper blacks in daylit rooms with 1800 lumens. No motion blur, fast response rate with motion flow technology to see every detail with minimal blur. Zoom flexibility, manual 1.6x zoom ratio and wide lens shift range to work in rooms of all sizes. View in 3D, wider coverage and greater stability with the built-in industry standard RF transmitter. Long-lasting lamp, enjoy up to 6,000 hours of screen time for lower maintenance and fewer lamp swaps. In the box, remote control, batteries, AC power cord, lens cap, operating instructions and manual.